Your organization intends to move its local Hadoop setup to Google Cloud due to rising HDFS maintenance and storage expenses. You need to keep modifications to your present analytics workloads and architecture to a minimum. What is the best migration strategy? Option A. Transfer your Hadoop data into BigQuery and update your workloads to query BigQuery directly. Option B. Provision compute engine virtual machines with standard hard disk drives and replicate your entire Hadoop environment onto them. Option C. Deploy a cloud dataproc cluster and shift your Hadoop environment there using larger hard disk drives for HDFS storage to cut expenses. Option D. Set up a cloud dataproc cluster, move your application code to it, store your datasets in cloud storage, and use the Cloud Dataproc connector to execute jobs. This scenario explores the balance between performing a lift and shift migration versus modernizing data workloads in the cloud. It specifically asks you to reconcile the need to reduce infrastructure maintenance and storage costs with the constraint of keeping existing workload logic and architecture changes to an absolute minimum.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. By setting up a cloud dataproc cluster and moving your data to cloud storage, you leverage a managed service that successfully decouples your compute resources from your storage requirements. Using the Cloud Dataproc connector allows your existing Hadoop and Spark jobs to interface with cloud storage, which maintains compatibility with your legacy environment while significantly reducing the overhead associated with managing HDFS storage.
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Explain which answer is correct and why. Option A is incorrect because moving to BigQuery would require a complete rewrite of your analytical queries and existing jobs, which violates the requirement for minimal modifications. Options B and C are less effective because they retain the HDFS-based storage model on virtual machines or managed clusters. This approach fails to solve the high maintenance cost issues compared to using the more scalable and cost-effective cloud storage. For your exam preparation, keep in mind that when a question emphasizes minimal architectural changes during a Hadoop migration, you should look for solutions that use connectors rather than those that force a migration to an entirely different data warehouse architecture. Always weigh the benefit of managed services against the effort of rewriting code.